How fast does a weeping cherry grow? Weeping cherries are members of the rose family. Producing showy pink flowers in spring or fall depending on cultivar, they grow in nearly any soil conditions. Tree forms reach heights of 20 to 40 feet with a spread of up to 25 feet depending on variety. Varieties of weeping cherry. Weeping cherries come in two basic forms. There are naturally weeping trees and weeping trees created by top grafting. The growth rate of each type is different. Grafted trees. Most pink-flowered weeping cherries are created by grafting a weeping cultivar such as pendula to an upright rootstock such as mazard. Terminals weeping branches are grafted onto the top when rootstock trees are 4 to 6 feet tall. Rootstock trees have a median growth rate of 13 to 24 inches per year. Larger grafted branches may have a median growth rate while weeping stems grow very rapidly 25 inches per year. Naturally weeping trees. Cultivar snowfosem, also known as snow fountains, is a naturally weeping variety with a slow growth habit of 12 inches or less per year to a height of only 8 feet. Pruning the faster growing weeping shoots back yearly allows you to grow it in smaller gardens. Ground cover weeping cherry. Rooted cuttings of snow fountains left unstaked so that they cascade form ground cover. The cascade form's trunk will show the same slow growth habit as the staked upright form. The creeping branches have a rapid growth rate of up to 25 inches per year. Factors affecting growth. Weeping cherries grow faster without competition for their roots from underplanted grass.